Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I am back with a quick tutorial of Adobe Photoshop. But before we start the video guys, please make sure to subscribe the channel and do follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link in description below. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create outlines in Adobe Photoshop. So I have taken this picture. I have downloaded this picture from this website called unsplash.com. It's an absolutely free website and you can download pictures from this website and use them in your videos and you will face no copyright issues. So first of all, I'll use the quick selection tool to select the main object. So let's go. Okay, now you can see that the main object has been selected. So now what you need to do is to press Ctrl plus J and now open the layers panel and you can see that the main object has been pasted to a separate layer. So you can see that the main object has been pasted here. So what you need to do is select this layer and then right click and then click on blending options and then click on stroke and select the color of your outline. So I'll select yellow color and then you can select the size of the stroke. As you can see that the stroke is increasing, so I'll go with the 5 and then click OK. And as you can see that the outlines have been created. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe the channel, and I'm keeping a like aim of 10 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.